O le nāua whata alofa aloa ia atu o usumatua melo tuangane i le paia ma le mamalu a fia mai le nei afiafi. Ai o le a whangatonu se whamatalanga ma la Molimau i le tina au tū o le ata lo tina kaisalina ai fua e vanga. Ia, o lo ingoa o Helmy Olioli melody whaafia maula i vau Esera. O au e lona 5 i grandchildren. O au foi o le wii. O lona winga. O au o le whati ngā ulu lo nana. O le au whao ngā ina le whaaperatania e whaaleo ai lo Molimau au ai filongia le tātou au fia i ngane ese. Reflecting on the life she lived, I realized that the greatest gifts she gave me were the lessons that came not from words, but from her actions, her love and her unwavering faith. She taught me how to be strong and faithful, how to love others unconditionally, and how to nurture everyone around me. Lessons that I'll carry with me every single day. One of the most powerful lessons Nana Fua taught me was what it truly means to be strong. Not just physically strong, though she was certainly that, but strong in spirit and faith. She never missed a Sunday service and always prayed with me and my family. Morning and evening, she glorified God, especially in times of doubt, teaching us that faith isn't just for Sundays, but something to live every day. She reminded us that we are never alone and God is always watching over us. I remember the little things she did to make me feel safe and loved, like walking to Holy Family School to pick me up, even in bad weather, with her umbrella and her warm clothes, but she still wore her jandals. She'd hold my hand, listen to me yap, and it felt like the world was brighter when we were together. She never complained, just kept walking, one step at a time. Nana's strength, persistence, and unwavering faith have stayed with me. Above all, Nana Fua taught me the true meaning of love. She didn't just love her family, she extended that love to everyone she met. Living out of the words of the scripture, love thy neighbor as thyself, Mark 12 verse 31. She gave her love freely, expecting nothing in return, and showed it through care for everyone. Whether I was sick, had a sprained ankle, or just felt down, she was always there, massaging me with her strong hands and her tough feet, comforting me with her words of wisdom like, "Wah, mea ngai maua." I never doubted that I was loved. Her care was a constant reminder of the importance of kindness and compassion. Thank you for my most cherished memories, Fua. When I was just a baby, everyone would wake up and get ready for work and school. And while they were all up getting ready, me and Fua will wake up early, pulpulu au ia afu, and just watch Shrek while everyone's doing their own thing. But the most memorable memory I remember is when Fua massaged my ankle a few years ago. If you've ever had it done, you know how the elders use their heel to, press into your ankle, so try to jig the bone back together. And so it's really painful. And Fua did this to me, but because it's Nana Fua, it was twice as painful. I cried and yelled, as usual, but I cried not because she was pressing the injury. I felt like my skin was burning. And then she took her foot off my ankle, and then the skin was like shaved off my ankle. And like her feet were like just really, it just hurt me. Yeah. I aka, sino makua. I'm in pain, but she still laughs. So. But my Nana Fua knew how to turn something so painful into a cheeky moment. Nana was the embodiment of everything I hoped to be. Strong, faithful, loving, and nurturing. She taught me that no act of kindness is too small, no moment of love too insignificant. Every day with her was a lesson in what it means to truly care for others. Thank you, Nana Fua. I know that your humble love, your strength, and your wise teachings will never leave me. They are woven into the fabric of who I am. I will carry them with me and I will honor them by living in the way she showed me. Thank you for being the greatest teacher, my biggest supporter, and the most beautiful example of love I will ever know. I love you, my beautiful Aote. O mana whai uwhasaunga. Le Aote Samoa, ua sili lo matangofie. Le Aote Samoa, matala mai le aso laufie. Le lau sei, atili ai lo la le. Wavane iu peti, mamanu ai o melei. Le Aote Samoa, mana ia tele i le vaai. Le Aote Samoa, ua lanu ese mai. Le funga la au, sili sili ona lau iloa. Le Aote Samoa. Le Aote Samoa, e tele mea e aunga ai. Le Aote Samoa, e aunga foi e whai ai vai. Le Aote Samoa, e fia i teine matama. Le Aote Samoa, e te se ai au e manga. Le Aote Samoa, mana ia tele i le vaai. Le Aote Samoa, ua lanu ese mai. Le funga la au, sili sili ona lau iloa. Le Aote Samoa. Le Aote Samoa. Le Aote Samoa. Love you, Nana. Ia manuiano malang.